Alright, so mounting the shelf. Ideally you want to go ahead and put it on studs because if you do have firearms in there or things that might be heavy, you want it to mount to the studs, this way you don't have that issue later. So, but there are different drywall anchors you can use, but for this particular installation we're going to go ahead and find the studs. So every wall is different. As you go ahead and get comfortable with finding studs, you'll learn a couple things. So in this wall, I have an outlet here. Okay, every outlet is going to be a stud either on this side or a stud either on this side. And I know that for sure. My question is, which side is it? My favorite trick, you can go ahead and get expensive stud finders and all of that, is a magnet. You can even use the magnet that comes with the shelf. So let's go ahead and start with one side. Go in vertical, all the way vertical, just next to the outlet. Or just vertical, we'll see. Okay, there's nothing on this side. Let's go on this side. Whoopsies. Vertical. And I have a stud on this side. That works by it's the magnetism is grabbing the screw that's holding the drywall. So now I know I have a stud here. So I have a stud that goes all the way up here. Okay? So now that kind of makes this interesting for this installation. So obviously I want the shelf centered. The issue I have with this, ideally, depending on how heavy you're gonna put stuff in here, this is the length here is these two screws, these two holes are 16 inches wide, which is what the average stud pack is. So your stud's gonna be an average 16 inches wide. So that's what this is designed for. Now on this wall, I can't exactly do that because I won't be centered, right? So if I go here, it's off-centered, right? If I go here, it's off-centered. If I go to grab these two studs or these two studs. So instead what we're going to do in this installation is we're going to center with the wall. We're going to go ahead and go right into this stud here, okay? Because look, so you follow this up, right? Here's a stud, I know. Mm-hmm. So 16 inches this way, there's going to be another stud. Right, there it is. So what you would do is you'd put these two pre-drilled holes, okay? Would go over your studs, okay? And you drill them in, and you're good to go. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Do you understand that or no?
I do.
Okay.
Are you providing screws?
Yes, it comes with screws.
Okay.
Alright, so in this installation, my studs aren't centered with the wall, so it'll look a little odd. Throw this thing away. Somebody stepped on this while we're using it.
Uh-huh.
You see how it's curved?
Yeah.
Like, you know what? Just
like what? Curved like what, Marco?
Nothing.
Okay.
50, 62, 31. 31 is center. So 31 is right there. Okay, which is just to the left. The center. Now height. How high do we want this? Center of this. You guys can use a pencil if you want, or and I'll just erase it later. It doesn't really bother me. So right there. Okay.
Do you need my help?
Hmm?
You got it?
Yeah. The drill and a screw. There's my stud, straight up.
So they should pre-drill. You're just being lazy.
Yes.
Make sure you tell them.
There's also the wrong tip for this. Put one screw in, it's not going to fall. And then now I need the level if I need to make lateral adjustment. So you throw a level on there. If you don't have a level, you can go by eye. You can also measure down from the ceiling or up from the floor.
You could put on marble and see if it rolls.
Put on marble, see if it rolls.
I have ideas.
A couple different things you can do. Yeah, so this one leans forward just a little bit. That's okay with me. If it bothers you, you can shim the back. But so this, I gotta make this adjustment, as you can see. It's not level. So, okay, don't need to think about the screw. Just go ahead and tighten it a little bit. And we're level. Okay? There you go. Now, just put another screw. Let's go ahead and use one of these predetermined ones because it's just gonna hold it so it doesn't move left or right.
They don't need an anchor?
No, it's not. Because I'm already, each screw is designed to hold about 70 pounds. Okay? You're not putting 70 pounds in this. So just one to the stud and you're fine. This is mainly just to stop it from tottering, but that one screw will hold it completely. Ideally, of course, you know, if you can, get 2 studs, put one on each side, but on this wall I can't because I want it centered. But if you just do the one, again, it's not going anywhere. You're not putting really heavy things in it. Does that make sense?
Yep.
When you put the magnet on, see how it pushes away? See that?
Yeah.
It's upside down. So turn it the right way, it'll go to its spot. And there you go. And that will stay. As long as the magnet's there, when you move the magnet, it locks. Alright, so take note, kind of make a mental memory of where exactly it is if you use something really heavy, okay? And then you'll get it. Alright, there she is. No, enjoy it. It's a lot of fun making them. Different colors, favorite color. The problem you're gonna find is they're cool. So you're gonna want to show everybody this thing, and then everyone's gonna know where your gun is. So maybe get 2. One where it matters and one you can show your friends. Have fun. Thank you for watching everything else. Appreciate it. See you in the next video.